The Scudo A6 single-door offset quadrant shower enclosure 1200 by 900 mm combines elegance and functionality in your bathroom. This shower enclosure will bring a touch of style to any space with its polished chrome finish and clear glass. The offset quadrant design maximizes the use of your corner, while the single sliding door with a spacious 440 mm opening provides easy access. But that's not all. Our Aqua Shield glass treatment makes cleaning an easy task, keeping your shower sparkling at all times. This versatile enclosure can be installed in either a left or right-hand configuration, allowing you to customize it to your bathroom arrangement. With the Scudo S6 single-door offset quadrant shower enclosures, you can bring the right blend of design and functionality in your daily routine. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Shower Enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.